Hi everyone, so my name is Lucy Tyrrell and I'm the academic director here at OHLA in Brickell, Miami. So I was born in the United Kingdom and I was raised in Geneva, Switzerland. I got my bachelor's degree from the UK, from Canterbury University, and I got my master's degree from the US. I've been teaching ESL for about 20 years. And I've also been working as academic director for about 8 years. So at OHLA, I'm responsible for the academic side of the school. I'm making sure that the students come in and they're tested and they're placed correctly. I want to make sure that they're happy, that they're comfortable, and that they're fulfilling their goals, their linguistic goals. I'm also responsible for hiring the teaching staff, for making sure that we have competent, caring, capable teachers that really are invested in the process here at OHLA. Overall, I'm responsible for making sure that the school runs smoothly and that it's a happy place for the students to be and to learn. The way that I would describe the curriculum at OHLA in one word is unique. And this is because in previous schools that I've come into contact with, the curriculum is the book, is the textbook. But that's not the case here. Of course we use textbooks, but we have a curriculum that stands alone, apart from the textbook. And it actually works backwards, which I know that sounds a little strange, but we start off with learning outcomes that we want our students to leave the level with. Okay, for each level. And then we work backwards and we find different tasks and different activities that are going to lead the students to those learning outcomes. And that really is the basis of the curriculum at OHLA. So we are accredited by CEA, and the accreditation process is an extremely important one for our school. The process is, I would say, introspective. In other words, it makes us as a school look at ourselves. It makes us look at ourselves to see what exactly are we trying to do, and are we actually accomplishing the objectives that we set for ourselves. I think the heart of OHLA is its teachers. I think that if an ESL school has fantastic teachers, the school is going to run smoothly and the students are going to be happy. So that begs the question, how do I select the teachers in the school? You know, we make sure that our teachers are qualified, bachelor's degrees, ESL certification, a year teaching ESL to adults is also necessary, and they also have to have native or near native like English fluency. But you know what, above all, I think, is they need to have a passion for teaching, because I think that a teacher can have all of the qualifications necessary, and if this teacher has no passion, then the students are going to be sleeping in the class and nothing is going to be learned. So we have 8 levels that we can offer at OHLA. That doesn't mean that we offer 8 levels all the time. It really depends on the needs of our students. And in order to complete one level, it usually takes 12 weeks. Some of our sessions are shorter, some of them are 8 weeks, but the standard length is 12 weeks per level. So each level is broken down into 6 blocks, okay? And one block is 2 weeks long, okay? At the end of 2 weeks, at the end of the first block, for example, students are assessed. They are given a speaking task and a writing task to perform, and then there is also what we call the block exam, which involves other skills such as grammar, vocabulary, listening, and reading. That's one method of assessment. But also, students are assessed all the time. At OHLA, we have many professional development days. Now, what exactly does that mean? A professional development day is a time for the teachers to learn, because at OHLA, it's not just the students that learn, it's also the teachers, and I think it's very, very important to have ongoing professional development so that the teachers can learn the latest techniques or the latest research involved with ESL. Here at OHLA, we believe that in order for a student to reach his or her linguistic goals, they really have to come to class on a regular basis. If they miss class, even one class, they're going to be missing so much valuable material. And because of this, we do have a very strict attendance policy. Every year, we have over 60 nationalities studying here at OHLA. Our average class size, I would say, would be between 10 and 12 students. We have a maximum of 15, And this is a good number. It allows the classes to still be very student-focused. It allows for pair work, for group work, and it allows for a lot of communication between the students. In every class at OHLA, we only accept English as a language. If students speak anything other than English, the teacher is very strict with enforcing the English-only policy. Also, around the school, in the corridors, in the hallways, we have designated English-only zones. And these zones, you can see them because there are big signs which say English zones. And this is just to remind the students that even during break or while they're waiting for class in the morning, it's really important to speak English, for them to speak English with each other. So another opportunity for our students to practice their English is also our conversation club. This conversation club happens 3 times a week. It's 50 minutes in length, and it's one of the teachers that leads this conversation club. And it's something which is perhaps a little bit less academic than the regular program. I also want to mention my right-hand person, as it were. And this is Amy Fouts. Amy is the lead teacher here at OHLA, and she has a lot of experience in ESL, and she really cares for her students greatly. And she's an excellent teacher and very, very good with her lesson planning and her smartboard experience. So she's just wonderful to have on the academic team.